40 million cars change hands person to person every year. No dealership, no salesman, no safety net, and nobody handing you a warranty on the way out the door. It is the best way to buy a car and the easiest way to get absolutely wrecked, depending entirely on whether you know what you're doing. So here's the 5-step playbook the smart buyers use so they never get burned. Screenshot it if you have to. Step 1 starts before you ever shake a hand. Step 1. You can catch 90% of bad cars with 5 text messages before you waste a single Saturday. Message 1. Why are you selling? Upgrading is fine. It's just been giving me a little trouble, is a man narrating his own crime. Message 2. What's the VIN? A real owner sends it in 10 seconds. Message 3. Do you have service records? Message 4. Can I bring my own mechanic? And watch how fast a great deal suddenly gets complicated. Message 5. Real casual. Whose name is on the title? Because a good seller answers all 5 in one breath. A bad one suddenly remembers he's just selling it for a friend. The friend, by the way, is always named Brian. And Brian is never, ever available. Step 2. Run that VIN before you fall in love. Because the heart is a terrible mechanic. 30 seconds, completely free, and it pulls the car's whole secret history. Salvage titles, flood damage, that 5-car pileup the seller is calling a little bumper thing. It also flags open safety, recalls the manufacturer would fix for free. If anyone had ever bothered to look, we actually built a free warranty checker for exactly this moment. No phone call, no sign up, no Brian. You type the car in, you see what you're really dealing with. Old way, trust a stranger's word in a parking lot. New way, trust the record. Only one of those has never once let anybody down. Step 3. And this is the one everybody skips because it feels a little awkward. The pre-purchase inspection. $150 to put the car on a lift and let a real mechanic look at the 2/3 of it you physically cannot see from the driveway. That's where the expensive lies live. The frame that's been welded back together, the oil leak wearing a fresh coat of degreaser, the tires that are bald on the inside edge only.
That seal is blown,
$150 today or $9,000 in April. That is not an expense. That is the cheapest insurance policy you will ever buy, and it comes with a second opinion from the one person in this entire deal who is not trying to sell you the car. And if the seller won't let a mechanic look, that's not a red flag. That is the whole flag. Step 4, the test drive. And here's the trick nobody tells you. Start it cold. Show up a little early before they've had a chance to warm it up. Because a hot engine hides everything, and a cold one confesses everything. Radio off, windows down, just listen. Take it on the highway, not just around the block, and brake hard once in an empty lot to feel if it pulls. Step 5, the money, which is where good deals go to die. Never wire cash to somebody you have met exactly one time. Meet at the bank in daylight. Get the signed title in your hand before your keys ever leave it, and make absolutely sure the name printed on that title matches the actual human standing in front of you. If it says Brian, and he doesn't, you smile, you say thanks, and you walk. So here's the whole point. You skip the dealership, genuinely smart, you probably saved thousands. Just don't skip the coverage, run the VIN, get the inspection, and protect the car before the car surprises you. Go to driveonedirect.com, run the free warranty checker, and get covered in about a minute. No calls, no hold music, no Brian. It's 2026, buy your car like it.